and welcome to another review. This is not in the season, but yeah, it's a set I have and I wanted to show you. So it's Lego set 4499 Santa's Sleigh. It has 343 pieces and is 9+, and including 1 minifigure and 4 reindeers. So it's a cool set. Even the reindeers have backs, so they can be featured in some wood or somewhere in your city without have to be Christmas related. Yes. In the package there are a lot of stickers, but it has also prints, parts, different. Then useless information about in the process of changing from poly bags to paper bags, and the manual how to make it. For the model itself you have these reindeers, which are interestingly mounted, I say. So for the part with only the reindeers, the part with only the sleigh, and now what is special on this sleigh and some. So the Santa itself, he has his list for if you get some gift or not, and the sleigh itself have to pull out this for the reindeers and the Santa, some food. It has containing a guitar, a pair of skis, some gift without knowledge of what's inside. There is a bear. There are a lot of little gifts without knowledge of what's inside them. Small and big ones, and also the skier, for the skier. So I think the skier are maybe for Santa, if he have to go somewhere he can't with the reindeers, and yeah, have much space to put something in. This can be moved slightly, and yeah, that's what's inside of this package. I hope you liked this out of season review of this set, and hope you give me a like or a comment and watch another video and come back next time. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.